Let me look this up on Perplexity. What are the technologies we modern humans have that the Mashkopira do not? It's just interesting to think about the kind of technologies we take for granted. Energy and power, obviously, all the electricity generation and grids and batteries and solar panels and electric motors, metals and materials, mass-produced steel, aluminum, advanced alloys, plastics, composites, glass, concrete, all of those things.
All
Tools,
those things.
of course, and the machinery, the infrastructure of roads and bridges and buildings, and the weapons of war, everything but the spears and arrows that they have, and the medicine and biology. Of course, they probably have complicated medicines that they've developed for their own, that are available within the jungle.
I mean, that entire list is no.
No.
I mean, metal, think you have to be able to excavate into the earth and forge metal. These people don't even, as one of the local anthropologists said to me, a Peruvian anthropologist, he said, people think of them as Stone Age tribes. And he was like, they don't have stones. He's like, they don't know that water, they see water that they drink. They don't know that water freezes because they've never seen it. They don't know that water boils because they don't even make clay pots. They just have their bamboo and their string. And so they're living an incredibly simple life. So all of that, I mean, even, a camera is a miracle to them. Like, it's like, yeah, you have to bend your mind to even understand how far back they are. It's like looking into thousands of years ago, like Stone Age.
Well, they hear the sounds of the chainsaws, the sounds of machinery in the distance.
Yeah.
I wonder how they can possibly comprehend what that is.
I think they view it as like a demonic, destructive force. And when I show you the encounter that we had, we got a few takeaways. We left with more questions than answers, but one of the things that they were able to communicate across the language barrier was, why are you cutting down the trees? They don't like it.
Yeah, that represents to them the danger that the outside world brings, the destruction that the outside world brings.
They see us as the destroyers of worlds.